Okay, hello. So we're going to go ahead and skip to page 15 in our notes booklet. Basically, it's finding an equation giving data that does not fit perfectly. So it's where it's not completely strong correlation. It's not completely linear. So Old Faithful is a geyser at Yellowstone National Park. The table shows the duration of eruptions and the time interval between eruptions for a typical day. So now we're going to go through steps to put this into the calculator. We're going to put these data points into the calculator. Duration could be our x, interval could be our y. So to do that, this is what we would do. So first you turn it on. You click this button down here. It says Add Lists and Spreadsheets. Where it has A, let's go ahead and call that X. Under the B column, let's call that Y. And then we will go ahead and plug in every single one of our data points. Once you're finished with the first column, we're going to go to the second column, the Y column. That's going to be our interval in minutes. Once you've entered in both columns, we're going to go over to column C. Make sure you have this part highlighted. Then go to Menu, 4 Statistics, 1 Stat Calculations, and 3 Linear Regression MX plus B. Click Enter. Under your X list, you can select X. Under your Y list, let's go ahead and select Y. Then Enter or click OK. Notice now we have M and then 9.0224, B 39.6264, and so on. So those are going to be the numbers that you put on your paper. So your slope, M, will equal the 9.0224. The ordinate part of the y-intercept, or B, is going to be 39.6264. And so our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So after you substitute the m that you found here and the b that you found here and leave y and x as just y and x, that will be your slope-intercept form. The next thing says the correlation coefficient, R. That is this number right here. The R is basically how correlated is it. If it's 0.5 or higher, that's strong positive correlation. If it's still positive but it's less than 0.5, that's a weak positive correlation. If it's a negative number, that would be a negative correlation. Go ahead and take a couple of minutes to make sure you've written in the blanks which are found on Canvas, and also answer the question, why would we want to calculate a line of best fit? Another thing you could do with these data points is if you go back to Document, we go ahead, Insert, Data and Statistics, that's number 7. So now we can make this into a scatter plot. So click for Y on the Y-axis and X on the X-axis. Now we have our scatter plot from what we just entered in, our data. To get the line of best fit, you click Menu, and then Analyze, Plot Function. Wait, let's do that again. Menu, Analyze, Regression, number 6, and then Show Linear, that's number 1. So that will be your line of best fit. Okay, so our summary is, and this is what you're going to write in the blanks where it says steps for inputting data into the calculator. To get our slope M, our B part of the y-intercept, our correlation coefficient R, and our determination coefficient R squared, first we click the calculator on. We go to Add List to Spreadsheet, name column A, X, name column B, Y. You're going to input the X and Y values from your table that's given to you. Scroll to column C and highlight that first white box. Go to Menu, number 4, which is Statistics, number 1, which is Stat Calculations, and number 3, Linear Regression, MX plus B. Press Enter. For your X list, you're going to choose X, and for your Y list, you're going to choose Y, or whatever you named it. There you go, click OK or press Enter. And then once you've done that, make sure you record your M, B, R, and R squared in your booklet. Now to get the scatter plot and line of best fit, we're going to click Document, and then 4 Insert, then 7 Data Statistics. Click to add Y, which is on the side. Click to add X, which is down here. You'll click Menu, 4 Analyze, 6 Regression, and 1 Show Linear, MX plus B, and then press Enter. If you're having problems after you try these steps, just clear the calculator's history or memory. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and then we'll try some more examples together in class and in small groups.